brought back some corn, some fresh corn, and we decided to make some Mexican street corn. Now there are two ways of making it, and one of them is to pull back, making sure to still keep this portion right here. I'm gonna clean it off the best we can. And the other way instead is to actually just leave it like this, and this has been soaked for about 15-20 minutes in water. We have some hot coals inside the oven, and we are going to place them inside and allow them to be grilled. So Sarah is going to spread all the hot coals out, and on top of here we're going to put the grill. Now we're going to place this griddle that has these 4 feet to elevate it right over the coals. Let it heat up and put the corn right on there. Let's pull it out and simply place the corn right on top. These guys are ready to go in, and we will rotate them frequently. As you can see, these guys are ready to come off, so I can pull the husks down. This is hot. I'm just going to pull these guys back and then put them back in the oven. But you can see as to how already it's nicely cooked inside. The ones without the husks are ready to come out. Look at there how nicely brown they are on all sides. Now these are going back in, and we will also turn them occasionally so they can get nicely caramelized on all sides, and we'll put it back inside. Our corn is beautifully done and ready to come out. We have a little bit of crushed garlic in here, and we're going to add this to the mayo. And then to this, we're going to add the crema. And we will mix all this up really well. And also, we're going to put some chili powder in it as well. We'll mix all this up nicely, and this will just be covering up our corn. Now I'm going to take each one of these guys and just place a bunch of this crema on there, and then we will roll it in some of the queso, and we'll be almost ready to serve it. The corn has been completely lathered with all this incredible mixture. Now we're going to take each one of them and just press it into the queso. Look at this. On here, we're still going to sprinkle just a little bit of chili powder and a nice little juice of this lime, and then a little bit of cilantro. Look at this. We're going to do this with all of them. To top everything off, we're going to squeeze some lime juice over each one of them. And oh boy, is this going to be good. I think I'm going to test this one right here. Look at it. Buon appetito!